Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about Dee Mwango and her ex, JbAdventures. Dee Mwango and her ex, JbAdventures. I don't remember what the name of the channel was before. Guys, when I saw JB and Dee Mwango, the very first time they were was it in a lake or something? That was the very first time I saw them. I thought it was fake. I thought it was a prank. I thought it was just making up, like showing I have somebody. I thought it was actually a lie. But then with time, it came to be true. And honestly speaking, I loved them together. I liked seeing them together. Oh, JB was funny. Also, if when you have invested in somebody and then they end up being a lie. You know, as people, we have conscience. We have conscience. Why I find JB so weird is because we have conscience as human beings. So when somebody does, he was funny when we saw him with Dee Mwango. I've watched Dee Mwango's video almost to the end. So to the end. And then my conclusion is, I don't know. But you know, I'm older. Like, I don't know how old Dee Mwango is. But Dee Mwango is almost the age of my first child. Maybe. I don't know. But maybe. I don't know. Because I got married when I was so young. But what I'm saying is, I'm sorry for Dee Mwango. I know what she's going through. More so if when you have invested in somebody and then they end up being a lie. You know, as people, we have conscience. We have conscience. Why I find JB so weird is because we have conscience as human beings. So when somebody does the much Dee Mwango did for you, you need to appreciate no matter what. No matter whether you are still together or not, you have to appreciate. This reminds me of Dee Mwango's brother, Marwa. I believe he used to do everything for Boo. What was her name? Bo. I believe he used to do everything for her as well, including sending money to her parents. So what I can say is, as human beings, we have conscience. It doesn't matter whether the relationship is broken, but we have conscience to appreciate what people have been to us. So Dee Mwango funding your birthday, Dee Mwango opening a grocery shop for your parents, Dee Mwango paying for your travels is more than enough. So we have conscience. To add on that, we are Christians. I believe JB is a Christian. You don't treat people like that. Even when the relationship is not working, as in romantically, you don't treat people like that. If I were JB, I would sit Dee Mwango and you guys remain friends because of what she has done for you. But you just feeling nothing and walking away. Let me tell you something, guys. Let me tell you, there is nothing as painful as somebody whom you are romantically involved in ignoring you on phone and in person. When your boyfriend refuses to talk to you, when you send your boyfriend a message and they don't respond to you, there is nothing as painful as that. Actually, it's a mental torture. And I don't know why.
Pull me closer, but don't waste your time. Don't have any time for all your empty lies. I used to think that you were only mine, but I was blinded by a shallow light. I'll call your friends, I'll let them know that I'm so done with the tragic boys. Tonight I'll get into my zone. I'll dance until the tears are gone. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need it.
And I don't know why some men do this. I came to realize this is a character of men. I never knew that. I used to think like somebody not talking to you is a women character, but I have come to learn it's a man character. They will just be there, not talk to you and feel nothing, and you have to be always the one initiating the talk after the coldness. So I don't know why they do this. So JB, you call yourself a Christian, and then Dee Mwango has done all this to you, for you. He paid your debts at your job. He opened a grocery store for your parents. He paid for your birthday. He funded your mother's travel. Even though I think, why did you even ask Dee Mwango to pay for your parents joining you during your birthday? Why would you even ask for that? That's too much to ask. That's too much to ask. You're a man. I mean, I'm like, okay, I know there are men who borrow money, but those are boys. Those are not men. A true man will never borrow money from a woman, even if he's broke. Even if he's broke, a true man, a grown man will never borrow money. But if you see a man borrowing money, that's a boy. I'm not trying to diminish JB, but I'm just like, those are red flags. When you find a man borrowing money, those are red flags. Yeah, those are red flags. So JB, his humor is so good. But when Dee Mwango says he stopped talking to her after she had done all this, it cancels everything, you know. I just went to his channel and I saw he put a video. He put a video but turned off the cameras. He turned off the cameras. I mean, the comments, you know. And I don't know why people want to be enemies when they break up. Why do people want to be enemies when they break up? I just saw when Dee Mwango was talking, the banner, the cover, the banner was for both of them. But right now, he just changed it to his photo. Like, honestly, I wish I had somebody who can do this much for me like the way Dee Mwango did for JB. I wish I found somebody who can do that for me. I will forever thank them, no matter what they do. Even if we part, even if we do what, I will forever thank them. So all this, somebody doing for you, and then you turn around, it's nothing to you. Instead, you're asking them to even pay you. Are you okay? Are you okay? JB, are you okay? You know what? I'm going to ask all the Dee Mwango subscribers Dee Mwango, Team D, who have subscribed to this guy, they need to teach him a lesson. They need to teach him a lesson, like unsubscribe, so that he realizes. It's going to be a lesson too. All Dee Mwango subscribers unsubscribe to this guy, because he cannot just trash everything that Dee Mwango has done for him. He cannot just trash everything. The audacity of asking Dee Mwango to pay you. Were you the one doing the videos, or you are just there like, or what are they, behind the scene? This is what we call using somebody. You clearly used D to grow. You used D. Actually, you see that JB Adventures channel, you need to share the money you have made so far from the beginning with D. Because it was a couple's channel. It was a couple's channel. If D reports this to YouTube, you are going to share the money, because it was a couple's channel. It's so disgusting. It's so heartbreaking that after D, I knew D was the one funding everything. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. You know what? Okay. If you look at the history of Asians and Africans, it's not easy to find an Asian man who loves an African genuinely. Not easy. It's always about something. It's always about something. It's always about something. So JB knew. I don't know where he watched D from the first time. I don't know how he got to know Dee Mwango. But Dee Mwango, if you do your research, you're gonna find out how he came to know you. That was his intention. Because him just going quiet and even changing the password to your couple channel, it's so creepy. Like, this is something that he planned. Now he knows the money is coming in. So right now, JB at Born Night Adventures right now has about 19,200 subscribers. And then he makes from $135 to $2,000 every month. And he will be making about $1,600 to $25 every year. So it's at a good position. He should just be man enough pay off Dee Mwango, and then he will owe nothing to anybody. That's what I think. So his channel is doing well, and we wish him well as well, despite what has happened. So obviously his intentions, his interest was not the same as Dee Mwango's. His channel makes up to 2,000 subscribers every month. It's at grade B, which means the channel is healthy, and he makes between $135 and $2,000. That's good enough. Thanks. Now he can change the password. So me, I want Dee Mwango's fans to unsubscribe to this guy, even if it means going back to subscribe. But for 1 month, just 1 month, unsubscribe to this guy, and then let him learn a lesson. After that, go back and subscribe. That's my request. Team D, my request, go to this channel and subscribe JB Adventures. I'm going to tag him in this video. Then, after 1 month, go back and subscribe to him. because we are Christians. We are not like him. Somebody doing so much for you and then you just like trash it like that in 1 minute. So you want to enjoy the money of this channel with another woman, yet the pioneer of this channel is Dee Mwango. Dee Mwango, don't give up on this channel. This is your channel. You need to report to YouTube. And Dee Mwango, it should be a lesson. When you start a channel with somebody in future, even if they're already married to you, draft an agreement. When you give somebody your money, draft an agreement. Because people do change. People do change. Yes, people can disagree. But what somebody has done for you, like the way you've done so much for this guy, he should remain grateful to you as long as you live. But him just trashing it away like it's nothing? Oh my goodness. I watch you guys from Texas and I loved it. I loved it. I even went on Dee Mwango's video and said, Dee, can you get me a Philippines guy? That's what I said. By the way, yeah, I said, Dee, can you get me someone I can do my videos with? Because I also plan to travel, but I have no one to travel with me. I'm honest. But this is so heartbreaking for people to use Dee like that. Then at the end of the day, she's the one looking the bad one. Was all this pretense? Like, I fail to understand. But anyway, Dee, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Honestly, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm so sorry you went through this. But it's okay. You can move on. You can be happy. Next time you will know better. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe.
You just made me realize all the things I used to sacrifice just to please you, just to call you mine. But look at me now, I have the time of my life. I'll call your friends, I'll let them know that I'm so done with the tragic boys. Tonight I'll get into my zone. I'll dance until the tears are gone. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need you. Don't need you. Don't need you. Dancing all these tears away. 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 No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away.